I'm going to show you the basics of trading. We've already gone into in my previous video of how to open a Robinhood account and the benefits of it. We're also going to go into, I'm going to log into my E-Trade account here. So this is my current balance and the breakdown. So I have, I rolled over this from a previous employment and opened an IRA and a rollover IRA. So if you look in the rollover IRA, for example, here I have my investments. So E-Trade's pretty cool where it shows you the percentage of gain. The only loss I have here is Luckin Coffee. I'm going to open up again so I can sell it. But if you can see here, my best trade, I guess, percentage-wise was Trade Desk. I bought the stock at $165 a share, and it's trading at $313. So it was a huge jump. I wish I bought more shares of that. I only bought 5, but it's a pretty good gain. The biggest gain I have is Tesla. I bought some shares at 605 and it's trading at 777 today. So $3,400 profit, 28%. Microsoft 14%, Google 22%, Elastic 41%. This is one of the trades that was recommended by Motley Fool. Thanks guys, Tom. If you haven't signed up for Motley Fool, I suggest you do. It's I think $99 a year to become a member, but it's already paid itself with some of the recommendations that I've got. Alibaba's trading low today. I might buy some more if it hits below the 190 mark. I have some options on Alibaba that it's going to go up. I think they expire on the 22nd. So this is one of my E-Trade accounts. If you look at, let's go into the other IRA. You can see here where, again, investments are up. Fastly, 106. This was another recommendation from Motley Fool. So thanks, guys. I paid $11 a share, bought 20. Wish I bought more. It was only 11 bucks. Now it's trading at $23. 106% return. It's great. Tesla 99% return. I bought a few shares when it was trading at $390, guys. Now it's at $778. As we speak, it's going up. So I'm not selling those. I think Tesla, I'm bullish on Tesla. I think it could hit a couple $1,000s in the next year or two. There's no other car company that can compete with Tesla, I think, especially fossil fuel. So let's go back to our Robinhood account. Here today I'm up about $330 as of this morning, and these are my trades today. So I have the Inovio down. So I need that to go up above $1. It expires on the 8th. Today's the 6th. So again, you have time decay that you have to worry about when you're trading options. So the longer you hold on to them, time does not work in your favor. So the other one I gotta pay close attention to is Roku. That's actually trading good today. But I think I'm down on one of them. So Disney, I'm betting on them to go down. As of this morning, they were up for some reason when they reported huge losses. So we'll see what happens. Actually, it's coming down again. So you see Disney here. Again, when you're trading options, you just got to be certain of what you're doing because, see, it's like a roller coaster. So it was at 101. Then they reported the losses and it dropped to $99. And then all of a sudden people went crazy and started putting money into it. I guess they thought it was a good deal. They started buying in. And then the FOMO kicked in. And then $104, it reached its peak this morning. But again, if I panicked, I would have lost, $500 on that. So actually, if you could see the average cost on this for some stocks that I have, I mean, I'm going to hold on to these long term because I think Disney will hit above 126 eventually. I of course I think that's a long-term investment. But if you look at the both contracts for options, I'm short. I'm putting those, so that means I'm shorting. I'm bidding for them to go down. I have a put at 106 and one at 110, expiring 515. So we have plenty of time for that to drop a little more. I've actually lost 128 today, but the total return's 100 on those two. So I'm up either way on those two. I'm hoping to hit around $500. I'll be happy with that, and then I'll cash it out. So again, time decay is, so I just took these out yesterday, or I don't want to wait too long because time is not on your side. So let's go back to the portfolio. Yeah. Oh, and another thing, a lot of people have been asking. So if you're below $25,000 investment on Robinhood, and I think a few other, and you're tagged as a day trader, they will number one not pay you interest on the money that you have, because once you get that card and you start on the savings card. So I'll give you an example. I mean, I don't have any money in there right now, but let's see where it says. There's this part that says basically, well, let's say I had $10,000 here, and if you're a day trader, you're not going to get that 1% or 2%, whatever they pay. So, and then they kind of penalize you for 90 days, where you can still trade and stuff, but they're just not going to pay you that. And if you have below $25,000 and you're a day trader, they won't let you trade. They won't let you buy. You can only sell. You can only close out your positions. That's happened to me before, but now my balance is above that because with the profit that I've been making. So actually all time I'm up $6,500, 16%. Not bad since I started. You can see the dip here on March 16th through 18th. That was the time to buy. That was probably the bottom. Will we hit another bottom? I don't know. But based on what I'm seeing here, we kind of hit like a V recovery, or like a W recovery more than anything. I don't know. What do you guys think? Leave the comments below. Let me know what you guys think about that. If you guys are liking this video so far, click a like, subscribe, and I'll do more videos like this. This will encourage me to do more videos. I'll share with you guys what I do. So NEM was another one that I did longs on, expiring on the 15th. I probably should have done them up to the 22nd, but Alibaba is one that I'm bullish on. That expires on the 22nd. I have a feeling it's going to hit. It's going to go higher. So let's check that one out. Alibaba. It's like the Amazon of China. So you can see this call was up this morning, 1375. I'm not in a rush. I mean, we have time. We have enough time. 22nd. We have about 12 days. No, wait. 22nd, 6th. We have about 15 days on it. So it's cool. Today's return, total return. So yeah, I'm looking at cashing out. So pretty much for every dollar that it goes up, you're going to earn about $100. It's pretty much it. So when you're buying an option, remember you're buying the right to purchase 100 shares of that stock. If and if it expires less than what out of the money, then it's basically deemed worthless. But if it expires in the money, then if it closes, then you're gonna get minus time decay, but you're gonna get positive equity for that. So so you want to basically sell it before it expires. So if you see $1,200, so it's at $12 is what I bought it, and if it's $13.55, you got to count the 1,200, and then the positive is what you're gonna actually make a profit on. So minus time decay and whatnot. So if you see the delta, gamma, theta, vega, rho, those are like the Greeks. These are the I guess, metrics that they use to calculate time decay and other factors. Also, you want the higher the implied volatility, um, the less you're affected by time decay. I've found, because the chances of it going up and down are higher. So the higher the implied volatility, I found to be better in options, because there's more of a chance that, I mean, even if it's a couple days out and it's close to in the money, people will still pay for it. They'll pay a premium for it, versus stocks that don't really move. And if you're like a couple days out or same day, um, people aren't going to want to take it off your hands. Um, what else? Yeah. Oh, and so Robinhood won't let you trade. I think like 1 hour before 1 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, which is 4 p.m. New York. They'll close it out for you. They're not going to let you trade. So be cautious of that. Um, and I find on E-Trade, also if you're trading options, you pretty much won't get in or out pre-market. It's going to be after like 6:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, I think, or 7 a.m. But you're not going to be able to get in at 6 a.m. Pacific Standard Time on the options. And on Robinhood, what I like is that after hours, you can sometimes buy options. And I think I've been not sure if I got into options, but I definitely got into trades. So I tend to like more of the Robinhood setup. Although we've had a few times where the account freezes when there's too many people using it and it just locks up and you can't get in or get out. They awarded me like $90. It was ridiculous. But luckily for me, I think the trades were going up that day. But if it were the other direction and you couldn't trade, it would be very upsetting. I think a lot of people were upset. I was seeing on the forum. But during the March 16th and 18th, I think their servers couldn't handle all the traffic. So yeah, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Leave comments below. Hit a like, and hope you guys have a great day. See ya.